Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to log into Cash App on a different phone. First of all, you need to take your older phone and you need to go to your Cash App account and you need to log out from your account. So click the profile icon at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and here you will see sign out button. Click on it and you will be logged out from your account. And then you need to take your new phone, you need to download the Cash App and then you need to open it. After that, you will see this window. You can enter your mobile phone number or you can use the email to log into your account. So you can click use email right here, and right here you need to enter the email address. When you enter the email address, click the next button and the verification code will be sent to your email. So you need to open your email. There you will see your verification code and you need to paste it in the Cash App and you will be logged into your account on your new phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.